Welcome to Giggle Learning Zone. Hi kids, now learn capital and small letters from M to S. This is capital M. This is small m. M is for moon. Moon. This is capital N. This is small n. N is for nurse. Nurse. This is capital O. This is small o. O is for owl. Owl. This is capital P. This is small p. P is for pizza. Pizza. This is capital Q. This is small q. Q is for queen. Queen. This is capital R. This is small r. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. This is capital S. This is small s. S is for stars. Stars. Good job. Wait for the next video.